Have you ever faced an important moment and felt powerless because of a language barrier? Whether it's a healthcare, legal, government, education, business sector, information technology appointment, the words matter. And when you can't express yourself clearly, things can get overwhelming. That's where bookyourtranslator.com makes all the difference. We connect you to real, certified human interpreters in over 90 languages, from Arabic to Zulu, for video calls, in-person meetings, or even document translation. Just visit our website, bookyourtranslator.com, choose your language, pick your time, and in minutes you're speaking with a trained interpreter who understands you. We're not just fast, we're trusted by professionals, by public institutions, and by people like you. Whether you need interpreter for medical appointments, immigration hearings, legal consultations, education meeting, or IT sector, we're here. No confusing software, no awkward AI translations, just real human connection in real time. At bookyourtranslator.com, we believe language should never be a barrier to justice, health, education, or opportunity. So the next time you need to be heard, clearly, confidently, and correctly, you know where to go. Bookyourtranslator.com, certified human interpreters, just a click away. Call us now at 888-807-4694 or 780-801-6086 or visit bookyourtranslator.com and book your session today, because your voice deserves to be understood.